How to switch to a business account on Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram application on your device and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal line in the upper right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now from the settings page, scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. Now from there, tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now select all the Continue button. And now when you finally come up to this page, choose a category that best describes your business. And now select the type of business account you want to create. You can choose between creator or business. Once you're done, enter your contact information including your business email address and phone number. You can review your business information and make any necessary changes. You can also connect your business account to your Facebook page, and if you don't have a Facebook page for your business, you can create one within the app. Now you can set up the rest of the profile and tap on this cross mark if you're done. And congratulations, you have successfully switched to a business account on Instagram. You can now access business-specific features such as Instagram Insights and the ability to create Instagram ads. So that's it for today's video. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.